First up, the honey and ginger magic. Take 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger juice and mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey. Sip the soothing mix twice a day. It helps clear throat irritation, reduce coughing, and boost your immunity. Sweet, spicy, and super effective.